Hi everyone, and welcome to technical lessons. This is going to be lesson 2, and today we're going to talk about attributes and values. First of all, let's understand what is attributes and values. Remember, in first lesson we talked about product. A product can be a pair of shoes, so it could be a perfume, shirt, suit, computer, iPhone, whatever it is you are selling. And attributes and values are the color and the size and the volume of it, which attached to it. For example, in the shirt cases, we could have a shirt white, and that's color, and the size 14. So color and size are attributes, and 14 and white are values. So we need to define these before we are able to create combinations. Again, in the first lessons we talked about combinations. So a shirt would be white size 14, and then white size 15, and white size 16, and so on and so forth. That are the combinations, but you need to have attributes and values before we are able to define these combinations, who generate these combinations. So therefore today we're going to talk about and show you step by step how to create attributes and values. So again, you need to be in your admin area, which is this, what you see, and then go to catalog and then click on attributes and values. The moment you click on it, and hopefully it's going to be fast because my computer is a bit slow. Actually my internet is slow. So here we are. You get this Windows, which has a lot of attributes and which have been created before. So ignore all these. We're going to add a new one by clicking on add new attributes, and then we're going to give values to that particular attribute. So add new, and remember, I have a lot of shops and all are ticked. So if you have, like me, many stores and you want all, you just say all. If you want a particular store, you tick that one. It's up to you. That's first things. And the second things, how do you want this attribute to appear on your website? Is it colors? So you should actually see them boxes of red, black, green, and you can choose. Or is it a drop down? So you can choose that from here, and I'll show you in the real life. So if I go to website called mirfashion.com, and we can show you in real life what do I mean by that. And until the website is open, we can talk about that when the website comes up. So attribute, we have to give a name, and then we also have to give the name that displays to the customer. So in this case, for this example, we're going to say we are adding size for shoes. So you say shoes size, and then we will say let's customer just see the size. He doesn't need, because he's going to open category of shoes anyway. So you say size, and then we say save. So remember, it's a drop down list, so whatever. And now that is saved and added to the list of my attributes, and it should be in the bottom, and here it is. And I can go and edit that, because we need to give values to the size. Size starts from what? For example, start from 39, and then 41, and then 42, or 40, 41, 42. It's up to you. What size do you have in your store? What do you use? European, don't know, American, whatever it is. So edit, and then we say go back to the list. Because that's done, we need to add a new values to this new attributes that we have just created. So add new values, and then we say value we adding to what, which attribute we have to choose, because I have many, so I am adding to shoes size, and then we say first value to be starting 39, and I'll say save and add another one. Click save, then add another value. So we say now next one we say 40, and again it goes to all shops. That's whichever shops I add a product, let's say a pair of shoes, I can use this attribute and values for the combination. So say save and add another value, and so on. And then we add another one, 41. So we add 3, and then we say save this time because we want to leave this window saved. So that's done. Now we should have, which is this one, because I've created some before. So we're going to test. And how are we going to test? We're going to open a product, and we're going to go to the combination and see if we can pick up these attributes and values for the combination of that product. And I would rather go for a pair of shoes, so I'll go to Moreski, which is pair of shoes. I'll filter that with my product list. I should get one at least. Here we are, one. So then I say okay, edit this one for me by clicking on this pen, and if the internet is okay, should come up quickly. Then I'll say okay, combinations, combination. Here we are, we've got 1 2 3 here. We can add a new combination just for the test, for the sake of this particular test. So say new combination, and we say what combination for what. We say we need to add shoe size, and I hope it's this one, and we say for this Moreski shoes we need 39, and we say add. But we also need to pick up color, which we have created before. So we say the color of this shoes is also black. So there you go. We say add. So this should give us a combination of these values for the shoes, which will be a Moreski shoes, black, and size 39. And the way you see it, if you go to the website, so if we look for Moreski and search for it, we should get one Moreski somewhere. Let's say is this one or this one, it doesn't matter, whichever. This is just a test anyway. So we want to know what do we mean. Here we are. That's how it shows the color. You can, that's how the color is not drop down, the shoe size is drop down. So that's what we meant by when we were creating the attributes. So now we have choose from 41, 42, 43, color brown or black. It's up to you. So that's how the customer will see in real life online, and you are here in the back end. You've done your job properly. And that's the end of this lesson. It's a very short lesson but very useful, and thank you for watching, and I hope you will make use of this, and see you in next videos. Bye.